So how do you greet the examiner in the IELTS speaking test? At the start of the test, the examiner starts recording your details on a voice recorder. And then the test begins. Good afternoon. My name is Jake Paul. Could you tell me your full name, please?
My name is Natalia Smirnova.
Thank you. And what shall I call you?
You can call me Natalia.
And where are you from?
I'm from Moscow, Russia.
Can I see your identification, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. And that's the end of the greeting part. So here's a few things that might help you in the start. Full name here means your complete name. In this case, it is Natalia Smirnova. If the examiner asks you, "What shall I call you?" it means he or she is asking you for your preferred name. For example, full name Jackie Chan. You can call me Jackie. You might or might not get this question, but it's good to be prepared. Don't say my English name is. Just say you can call me and your name. The "where are you from" question sometimes confuses people. This question means where you are originally from, and it is the country where you were born, or the country where you spent the most time in, or the country of your passport, depending on your situation. In this case here, Natalia is from Moscow, Russia. Easy peasy. But she can do her test anywhere. For example, in London. Okay, now practice with me. Good afternoon. My name is Jake Paul. Could you tell me your full name, please? Thank you. And what shall I call you? And where are you from? Can I see your identification, please? Thank you. Well done. So you've made it this far, and there's 3 tips I want to share with you. Very basic, very simple, but candidates forget to do these things, and every little helps. Number 1, smile. Yeah, smile. However you want to smile. I can't tell you how to smile. Smile how you've smiled from the time you were born. Just don't be weird and creepy. Number 2, never chat with your examiner at the start. Silence is okay. But talking about common things like how's your day and how are you doing could distract the examiner. Of course, if he or she asks you about how is your day, then speak. That's okay. Until then, speak when spoken to. Number 3, be natural. This means so many things, but in my experience, speak how you would speak to anyone you know, a friend, a relative. I'd like to say be relaxed, but that might not always be possible. I usually ask my students to talk like they have nothing to lose. So chin up, be brave, and give it your best shot. And that's it, everyone. You're all 100% set in greeting your examiner. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. Bye for now.